So the next I'm removing screws from here and from the other side. So I'll see you guys. Okay, so after I removed 5 screws, this panel is also released. Okay, so I'm in a good shape, better shape now. So I'm going to remove this screw and I'll try to, and then I'll show you the next stage. You'll see that there are some small screws here. I'll take this out, then I will take this out so that I can dismantle this portion, because the more parts I convert into, I'll be dismantling in a better way, and that will reduce the weight. So I'll see you again. So see guys, how far I have reached. Now the next stage, what I'm gonna do, I have removed like these screws here. Now if I look here, I have some big ones here. Okay, here, here, and here. So I'm gonna now take them off. Okay, and then I will show you more. So I'll update you again. So guys, I removed that screw and then I could dismantle this. That's a good victory for me, because that means a lot of weight is off. And then again, using this tool, I managed to cut down the running strip. So that is also gone. Now I have to do few more steps in order to dismantle it. So I'll come to you. So guys, after removing these screws, I managed to take out this as well. This is very heavy, so now this will reduce the load of this treadmill significantly. Now I'll go to the next part. So guys, I managed to take these two out as well after losing the screw. Next is I'm gonna take this out, because if I'm able to take this out, this heavy metal will be off as well. So that means again great reduction in the load. Okay, so I'll see you again. So guys, see, I took this rod out and then I managed to pull the boundary from my hand. Now see, there are some screws here. So I'm gonna take them off and I'll see you again.